Buhari shocked to his bones, as even those he thought would not stand against him are rising up and joining their counterparts, saying, Buhari, you are wrong. Hello, my wonderful people. We brought you up to speed yesterday that 22 SANs are the ones now looking at, we'll be having a discussion at the Supreme Court level to see if the executive order given by Buhari against the governor was in compliance and I mean should be what it should be. And right now what we are seeing is that the 36 governor unanimously have come up in a judgment suit against President Muhammadu Buhari. I can hint you, my lovelies. Listen, when governors both south and north come together, just know that there is more to it. It has to do with ego. Ego is the way our brothers and sisters from the south is we want to call it. Yes, the Yorubas we call it Uwo, Abi. Yes, now so then go call her. And the Hausas we call it Kudi, if I'm right. Anyway, my people, we just they try to make them as much as possible so that we all go feel relate to wetin they go on. The 36 governor don't say well say Buhari don't do a lot of things we not dey right to, and we are not happy with what he's doing. So therefore Buhari can't go court, can't explain to us why you do some of these things where they do. It's not correct. We're not going to let you continue to do this thing like this because what you do now oppression. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. God bless you. The Supreme Court's reserved judgment in the suit filed by 36 state governors querying the legality of President Executive Order 10, 2020. President Muhammadu Buhari had in an executive order he signed on May 22nd, 2020, made it mandatory for all states to include allocation for both legislative and the judiciary in their appropriate and appropriation law. This he said when he said it was in compliance with Section 121, subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. A seven-man panel of justice of the Apex Court led by Justice Musa Danjo revealed their judgment after listening to arguments converged by all parties. The states, through their attorney generals, and a lawsuit marked, the number is there, where the Attorney General of the Federation was listed as the sole respondent, passed two queries and questions for the Supreme Court to determine whether, having regards to the provision of Section 6 and Section 81, subsection 3 of the Constitution, reads together with Item 121, subsection 3 of the third schedule column. The defendant is not constitutionally obligated or charged with the responsibility for funding all capital and recurrent expenditure of the High Court, Sharia Court, Appeal Court, Customary Court, or Apex Court at the state of the Federation being courts created under Section 6 of the Constitution. Whether considering provision of Section 6, 80, 81, 120 or 121, whether the Presidential Executive Order number 10 of 2020 made by the President on May 2022 2020 to comply with the plans to fund state high courts, state Sharia court or appeal, and customary court of appeal in violation of the Constitution provision vesting responsibility for funding the said court on federal government is not unconstitutional and not unlawful. At the resumption hearing on Monday, while adopting their procedures, counsel to the plaintiffs, Mr. Justice San, alleged that salaries related to judges and court officials should be paid by states. However, the state attorneys have said this is wrong, according to Section 84, subsection 4 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. So when it comes to money, yeah, you see them all working together in unity, none breaking ranks. In fact, the unity is so strong, even you say fear of God will catch you. Say, can you people be this united? Yes, so they can be that united. They can be that united. So this is what is going on. The 36 state governors have taken Buhari to court saying, we're not going to allow you put sand in our eyes. So Buhari has saddled them with the responsibility of ensuring that they henceforth are the one. So the money will come from the state level, yes, to pay the court officials, judges, and all that, and all that. And they are saying, no, it's not our responsibility. It must still come from the federal. So this is where the 36 governors have stood together with non-breaking ranks, everybody standing together unanimously as one and saying, you lie. You will have to still pay the money. It has to come from the federal government. So this is where we are at the moment. This is the real cause, the real bone for contention at the moment, as many people are saying, no, it's right, it's wrong, it's right, it's wrong, it's right, it's wrong. So this is what is happening, and this is what is going on, and Nigerians, wake up to reality check. Don't let them deceive you. They know what they are doing. Is it not the 36 governors? They know what they are doing. When the going is good, they become their friend. When the going is bad, when it does not favor them, then they revolt. But when it favors them, you don't hear their voices. So please don't get it twisted. They are one and the same people. And so the lawyers, the sons and everybody is standing up to say whether they are right, they are wrong. And so the matter is just the way it is. The matter is a very serious one at the moment, and they are working to see really and truly who is right, who is wrong on this front, and how they can move on from there. But the truth of the matter is everybody is looking out for himself. It's not because they care for Buhari or because Buhari cares for them. Okay, they are all the same people. They are all the same people. Don't get it twisted. They are all the same people. They know what they are after. You see, so this is part of what is going on right now. 36 governors, as for the first time in a long time, are standing up together, and Buhari has equipped himself with 22 SAN to look into the legality of whether the executive order he gave was wrong after all. So this is where we are. Very soon we'll get to know if the executive order was wrong and who was right. The governors against the president. This is an interesting one. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details together every time. God bless you. Bye for now.